if the 0 of the quadratic polynomial, this particular expression, or if the zeros, okay, both the zeros are given, 2 and minus 3, then a and b is what? That's the question. So very first thing is, let's write down the expression. So we have x square plus, x square plus a plus 1x plus b. So that is your polynomial, and we have 2 and minus 3 are p of x is zeros. Okay, so what does it mean? This means that p of 2, if I substitute in place of x 2, I get an output to be 0, and p of minus 3 will also be equal to 0. Okay, so this is the funda. If you understand this, everything else is quite simple. Now let's go with when p of 2 is equal to 0, is it not? So that's the first expression. We can go with that. We have in place of x 2, so that will be 4 actually, my bad. 2 square plus a plus 1 into 2 plus b is equal to 0. A bit of simplification, 4 plus 2a plus 2 plus b is equal to 0, and we have this 2 to be like terms, so we have 2a plus b plus 6 is equal to 0. This is one of the expression. How to make use of this we'll understand once we get the other expression. So let's simplify p of minus 3 being equated to 0. So we have minus 3 the whole square plus a plus 1 minus 3 plus b is equal to 0, and we have 9 minus 3a minus 3 plus b is equal to 0. And we have 9 minus 3 is 6 minus 3a plus b plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, both the places we're getting 6 itself. Anyways, what is that we're looking at? We have to solve for a and b. How will we do it? So one of the way is substitution, if not elimination, whatever you guys want it to be. So we'll do that. Let me go with elimination method itself. I hope you guys know about this. This is nothing but from your linear equation in 2 variables. If you've not done that, it's an easy topic. So I'm going to subtract, actually not add, I'm going to subtract 2 with 1. That is, let me write it here itself. We have 2a plus b plus 6 is equal to 0, and we have the other expression being minus 3a plus b plus 6 is equal to 0. So what is that we're looking at? We're looking at subtraction. So we don't have space over here. Let me. So since we are subtracting, what happens to the sign? It changes. So we have, let me do it here itself. It becomes plus, or you guys want to do this or do this, it's left to you guys. This becomes minus, minus. Okay. And we have, this clearly gets cut, this also gets cut, and we have 5a is equal to 0. Is a 0? Is there a possibility? Yes, there is a possibility, and the answer is a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 6. Okay, because we directly got a to be 0 and there is no other option wherein a is 0. So your working will end over here. Okay guys, but yeah, if it was a 2-marker question, so this is 2-marker version, this ends over there. But if they ask for 2-marker or 3-marker, for 2-marker we have we got the value of a to be 0, and we're going to substitute in 1 or 2, anything, whatever you guys want it to be. Substitute a in which equation, both looks the same, so 1. So we have 1, so 2 into 0 plus b plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is 0. 0 plus anything is the same thing. So if I transpose this, it will be minus 6. Right, guys? So yeah, you don't have to write all of that in your MCQ question. If the same question comes for a 2 marker or 3 marker, you need to show all of that working. Okay, so you can pause and have a look.